Good morning, Las Vegas. We're down here at Desert 215 Superstore. We're going to be checking out this awesome Rubicon Gladiator. This thing is outfitted with a lot of cool equipment, and we're going to be taking a closer look. This is the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It's the brand new truck that came out. Here you can see convenience entry. Locks the car from the outside, unlocks when the key's close enough. Alright guys, we're gonna take this for a little ride. Now these vehicles sure have a road presence. I'll tell you what, when I drive this car around the lot, it's immediately you just feel like you're in a powerful vehicle. You feel like you're in a stronger vehicle than most. As you can see, the ride quality on this is exquisitely smooth. Here we have the wonderful interior. Las Vegas, thanks for tuning in to Desert 215 Superstore's video of the day. We'll be checking out more vehicles all week long, so tune in to our Facebook and our YouTube for more of that. If you see anything that I missed you'd like to learn about, check out our website, desert215superstore.com, or give us a call at this number below, and we'll be happy to help you find the vehicle that you need in your future.